What? Bro, come on, bro. It get to a point, dude.
I got Charles, ARP, 50 with my favorite to fight. And it's for GSP. Might put a two in the G, got flames from out of the pipes. I gotta think of this line and swerve. My person, the gas is chasing the light. Stay try hit us with paperwork, fuck GSP. Out of state, I done caught me a flight. For GSP, niggas straight know how I'm coming from.
I told my nigga I'm riding with him. If he wrong, got me right.
Took the wild body over. But don't worry, I got another wild body. Finna put that bitch on, plus my new bumper. But we finna take a quick little trip.
4 hours later.
Oh. Yo, this nigga just said I got no dick. Get a load of this guy. How you got a 13 for free?
I stole it.
You stole it. Lock him up! Getting cold outside. I'm gonna have to cuff him. Wait, my fault. I didn't mean to say that. The fuck? What? Bro, come on, bro. It get to a point, dude.
He was awful.
What?
Shit.
I'm gay.
I'm in a fucking Dodge Challenger RT. You feel me? You feel me? Oh, freak, no. 0 for 2? 0 for 2? Oh. Hit that ball, boy.
Hit that ball, nigga. There you go.
Hey, you supposed to get more than one.
You shit.
I've been getting my ass handed too. I think it's because it's really cold. As you see, I'm freezing. Shit.
That's a good guy. You a big ass to the bro.
You feel me? I need, where my day? I'm trying to cut up.
The fuck?
Huh?
Don't start grabbing your fucking wee-wee in front of me, bitch.
Hey, he grabbing his wee-wee.
Fuck.
YouTube. You finna watch him get naked.
You recording all this?
Not gonna lie.
The video not coming out for about 5 months.
Oh no, this shit coming out. I gotta drop it. Vlogmas coming up.
Let's take this away then.
Your joint ain't finna come out till like 5 months.
This shit dropping.
YouTube. It's November 23rd. November 23rd.
This shit ain't focusing.
Hold on, okay, hold on. Let's go to the calendar. Yeah. Y'all see what today is? Y'all see it? November 23rd. That's today's date. Oh shit, not focused. There we go. It's November 23rd, right? Let's see how long it takes for my boy to upload this video.
I'm dropping next week.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
Brush your teeth. No, no, that
Stick it in deep.
Whoa!
Why is he up Shake that ass, yeah!
Tell a plenty boy that's a screaming. I got nothing to on my day.
Lit as fuck, bro.
So what's lit as fuck? Says the nigga that got lit down.
He was talking on the game, cuz he was like,
I don't say nothing too crazy with it. Look, I'm 6'1".
Hold on.
on the game, you like, take you still a short fuck.
He a short ass nigga. He about to what?
He about to.
Stay right where?
That right.
Give me the camera. So the camera can
Hold that bitch.
I'm short, y'all. Nah, I'm short. I know I'm
I
short.
don't make it seem like I'm the tallest nigga in the world, but I'm talking to him, and you.
Bro, he be making it seem like he could pick me up, sumo slam me.
I can't pick you up.
Hey, man, don't.
Hey, don't touch me, bitch!
Fuck this traffic. Never come to classes again. Fuck niggas all greedy as hell. Oh my mama. All these bitch ass niggas greedy. Don't want to share no spot. Nobody want to share a spot. I see the nigga say $50, $60 for parking, my nigga. We should jump his ass, right? We really should jump his ass. We should jump his ass.
Rob him blind for this shit. Shit, what size is it? She look like my size. I ain't gonna lie, this got nice fabric too. Good quality.
Hey, man.
Damn, great quality. Hey, Key, you like this car?
You like this shit? It's your size, man.
I'm finna show the kid how to play this. Get your big ass out of the fucking way, bro. Damn.
I'll smack you all this dog.
Oh my god, bro. Everybody been in my fucking way all day.
Shut up.
I'm gonna hit your shit.
Where you getting, cuz?
Oh, shut up, nigga.
Oh, I said thank you, cuz.
You gonna leave her hanging like that?
What? Damn, nigga. Big money, what up?
Look at that motherfucking cream.
Stop blowing my food. Stop blowing my food.
What you know right now?
Say no more.
What you know right
Say no
now?
more. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more.
Nah, do that, bro. What are you talking about?
Say no more. I just beat this nigga 21-0, then he seen he was getting too much BTA, so he started shit back home. Yo! Oh my god.
He caught that shit? Oh my god.
Oh, shut up, nigga.
This shit finna make me mad, cuz. This shit finna make me mad, cuz. No, I don't really be fuck with the game shit.
Damn, nigga, I work hard.
Dummy?
Nah, you doing all that in one spot. How the fuck you do that?
Dummy man? Cause you, how much of this actually finna get on this video?
All of it.
subscribe.